What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Got a haircut. Looking good, looking good. I went ahead and picked up a vise and a bench grinder. Ended up picking up both of those for only 50 bucks, and the bench grinder came with another secondary grinding wheel. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is mount them. So this is where I'll be mounting it at. I'm gonna probably put it somewhere like right there. I'll probably put it like 2 inches this way and 2 inches this way. So that way when I put a piece of steel or anything in there, if it's long, it can go all the way that way. And I got my air compressor right there. That chainsaw needs to go into storage. This just has a bunch of bolts and stuff, a bunch of screws, hardware, a bunch of stuff in there. Just extras. This is the bench grinder. Where I'm gonna put this one is probably right here in this corner piece. Probably something like that, but a little further, that way it doesn't sit on this side, because I'll be able to plug it in right there. And I need to get a hose reel to put up there, right there, for the extension cords. And then this is it came with a second one of these ones, but I have these bolts for the vise right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this up and start grinding these down. Not grinding them down, but cleaning them up, and then finding some bolts, that way it'll screw on good. And then these screws are gonna be for the vise, and then I gotta figure out how I'm gonna put these ones in. Hold on, I got these for the bench grinder, but I won't be able to fit a drill or nothing, so I'll probably mark the holes, put them like that, mark the holes, and then go ahead and get like a wrench or something, a ratcheting wrench, and ratchet them in there, because they'll go into the wood as long as I start them. And then so let's go ahead and clean up those bolts on the bench grinder. There we go. Got it all cleaned off. Looking alright, decent, I guess. Now let's go find the socket for these two bolts. Looks like it's gonna be maybe a 5/16, or I don't know, to be honest with you. Like a 10 millimeter. But we'll figure it out. Let me go find the socket and get the drill. So these didn't end up being a 5/16. 5/16 is too small. They ended up being the 3/8. Fits on there perfectly. Got my drill. Change that out, and I got my ratcheting wrenches, SAE standard. So let's get that 3/8 out of there. Move this drill, put this in here so I don't lose it. Fits perfect. So what I'll do first is I'll put this where I want it. Somewhere about right there. It's not level, but I'll probably put a shim in there. I have some shims. Maybe because I want it all the way in the front. That's good, because it gives me some room right there, and it's not as bad as when it was over here. So I'll put those right there. Let's see, I'll get this and put it in there. About where I want it. I don't think this will fit. Did it make a dent? No, too wide. Cause these used to be full. These used to be very full. Now I'm a fool playing around with it. Trying to get some paint over there. I think that'll work. Okay, it works somewhat. So then I'll put more paint all on it. A little more paint. Put one back here. This is really nice. Cool. Yep, now I got my 2 dots. Now what I'll do is get them going. There's something like that where they can catch. Like that. Bring it back. And then
Where you at? You ready?
For what? Hold on, let me do this.
Where'd you get that ratchet rig? Oh, those are yours?
Yep. Hold on, I need some washers.
That ain't gonna work. Well, that one will, because you ain't gotta put no pressure on that one.
Yeah, no, that one, that's why I got these bolts, because I'm gonna clean these bolts up on here, and then use these bolts, because look, go that way. These bolts. It's perfect.
Yep. How much red you got left? But go ahead and use washers.
No, that's good.
Oh, yeah.
A washer on the bottom, maybe. Like
yeah, but remember, this is particle board.
Yeah, well, that's why I'm gonna do 2 inches this way and 2 inches this way. Right there. 2 inches that way and 2 inches that way. But let me do this real quick because I'm recording it. Because I don't got nothing else to record. Cool, got 2 washers. Oh, they're not the same size. Alright, right here. Got 2 same size washers. Put one right here. Where the holes at? Let's see. One right there. Put this one up. Put one right here. That's good too. I don't think that's gonna go anywhere anytime soon. It might, but if I need to, I'll put like another piece of wood on top of here and screw it down with some regular screws, wood screws, and then I'll put these into that. That way it has some better, how do you say? Threads, I guess. That way it's in there tight is what I'm trying to say. So that's good. That's shaking the whole thing around. And that way I can unwrap this. Boom, boom. And then wrap it around here. Drop it in here. And just leave it plugged in right here. And then plug this one into the extension cord. Otherwise I need a hose reel about right here. Now I can just plug this up into the hose reel, and when I'm not using it, just unplug it and run the hose reel from there to the that way I can run the hose reel from right here, like this, to the hose reel, and then to the other side of the yard. Right here's good. Is it on? Yep. Yep. Now let me go get some pliers and some safety glasses, that way I can start cleaning these up. But it's already cleaned up pretty nice. That'll work. What do they say? Safety third! So there we go. From corroded and nasty to semi-clean. How would you look at those? Look how much cleaner those look.
Ya está haciendo otro video. Ya está haciendo otro video YouTube acá.
Rio de Janeiro?
So I ended up finding this drill bit's a little bit smaller than this bolt, but it should be good though because I want it to be tight in there. I don't want it to be loose. So I'm gonna make one hole and see what it goes like.
Hollywood Boulevard for the stars.
Yes, the stars.
Sí, close to the stars. And then she wants to go to Santa Monica Pier. She wants to go to the pier. I want to go to Echo Park. You know that movie, Mi Vida Loca? The Echo Park. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We're going to be back Thursday night. Like
Oh,
at
you
10.
were right.
But yeah, they want to do all that and then whatever else they've got planned or whatever.
My grandpa was right.
Just by looking at it from here, I knew.
What's the matter later?
Ay, déjame meter los cigarros con ella.
I know, I took them off this time.
Later. Me dije ya, un menos chingo más.
Probably.
I got a lighter in the room that's got those. Yeah, that's a lighter.
Oh, there it goes. That's perfect. Well, I'll do one and I'll drill it like that. So I don't miss.
You won't miss it. Just do it like that because that ain't long enough.
What, this?
Yeah, you're gonna hit the jaws too.
Here, 1, 2. Maybe that one I want.
Yeah, you're gonna be lightweight. Just do them all. What?
Fuck!
Put your glasses on. You get little things to popping out.
Están muy largos, though.
Fuck, I burnt this one up.
Oh, just put
Oil, right?
Oh yeah, WD-40 on spray while you do it.
I thought you were going to help
Hey,
Grandpa.
cuidado, me va a caer un ojo. Va a
We'll
picar,
get out the way of the locker,
me va a
dude.
picar una oreja que está ahí. Tú te vas a tener que moverte, yo.
Leave it there. What? You didn't have any? I have some in my crate.
No, I got
Hey,
more.
move the truck. Mal,
I probably
ahorita.
have your two.
You probably got all and fixed it up there neatly, huh?
Yeah.
Ah, está. You better put all that shit in grandma, that's grandma's shit.
I got 4
Grandma gotta
WD-40s.
So I had the WD-40 because of that. And the squeaky door.
I know, I went and got some for Monica's door también.
That's because I went through the bracket like a dumbass.
It was squeaky and I was
be-
like,
Is it gonna go, the bracket goes like that?
Yeah, we'll have to cut one.
That's alright. Do that one first. Do the other one on this corner right here. The other one. Right there. Go straight down with that one. And before you do that other one, do a little bit first.
Took a bite.
Yeah. And then use the long one.
So we're like,
Hey, chingados!
sorry.
Where my look go?
Hey, güey.
And Pacador, the Explorer.
Oh, Pacador.
What are you looking for now?
The nut.
It's right there.
not me, dummy.
Did you put it? There it is. Right there. That's it. Did you put it in everything?
Now, is it gonna be long enough?
Yeah.
On the other side, the one you just made that you went to the bracket?
Oh, it should. Here we go.
Cuidado, Sergio.
Damn it.
Yep. Oh, I gotta file it off though.
Just wobble the bit. Wobble the bit.
No, it's because it's like going that way out already.
Oh, you got a round one?
No. Ain't no fire.
Shit, but they're fixing to be all that fucking oil you got on them. Don't pass by the barrel, it's going to explode. Did you already make the other hole on this side?
No.
The easy hole?
There's none in this one either.
Pues tírale, ¿para qué los quieres tú?
Well, you can pressure them back up. I just didn't. You hook them up to the little thing and then you put more pressure in them.
Ese es el tuyo.
Yeah, this was the one that was in the $2. It's dirty though.
But it's been locked up for 3 years.
Yeah, for real.
Or probably since the truck was new, they had the $2 not even, what, 6 months? Somebody lost the key.
That man sitting next to you.
¿A cuál vieja chingada le robaste los pantalones? ¿A cuál vieja chingada le robaste los pantalones? Por un pantalón. Mientes.
That first one was already wrong.
Wobble it and I bet you can make it.
¿Dónde fue que ella? ¿En el carro? Era la escobita.
Dijo Dario que dijo Kevin que no quería ni una piedrita allá adentro.
¿Eh?
Ya que tenía la esa muy chingada afuera, la hubieran hecho vacuum la tuya para poner los dedos.
Hell yeah.
Era boy.
Fuck, I got stuck.
¿Ya que hora te vas a trabajar? ¿Todavía a las 5 de la mañana?
I have to be at work at 3:30.
Oh, era a las 3:30 y sales.
So 12.
¿Tú eres el que le echa el gas a los aeroplanos?
No, I don't do nothing outside.
Entonces, what the hell are you doing outside taking pictures of the airplane?
Because when they land, I can go on the floor if I want to, as long as I have my badge.
Está más necesito lo que estás haciendo ahorita.
Yeah.
It's okay, 'cause I'm gonna color them
We
anyways.
stay inside and we just assist
Yeah,
with
that's
work.
I got a blue marker.
For
No,
what?
son,
Paint
no.
the top.
No, I've stayed inside. I just help like take people to there to the terminal. I direct them to where the gift shop is. I direct them to the city corner, freedom market, stuff like that.
Miran, debe de ser ese airport más grande.
They are.
Es International Airport.
They are.
In Lubbock, no. Emergency landing in Lubbock.
And there was one with the snow was coming. With the snow, they said that one came down and it slid with the ice because they have machines to defrost the area, but they didn't defrost that one, and they were trying to direct this airplane to come this way, but it landed this way and it slid to the field, and then this one was still coming at the same time, so they went like that.
They barely missed each other.
No, hombre, hubiera costado que hubiera pegado. Se perdía las wings. Es donde está el fuel. Todo el aeroplano.
That's why they gotta make sure, because if that's whoever does mistake.
Yeah, because there was just one person that came up and like all the ops people, they had all of us out there and we were all clapping. I was like, why are we clapping? And it was just a viejita coming off the airplane. She was the only one that came off the airplane.
And sometimes there's an emergency that they go and ask one of the passengers if they can give up their plane, and they'll book them into another plane. Okay, as soon as something's happening, that person needs to go
Like view and
no, they take the bodies off first, and
they have a special little part for them, and it's all red, and they'll take the bodies out first and cover it. Cause we're all walking, and then I'm like, why is that little red one? They're like, it's human remains, and I was like, oh my god. They're like, you wanna go see it? And I was like, yeah. And they did. They took the body and just, and then they bring them, and then the hearse or whatever, they back it up.
Oh,
No, I've been here. Hi, my baby. Let me see their boobs.
Demi boy, you're stepping in shit. You got the goggles?
Yeah. Those
are nice.
come
Come
here.
here.
Steel toe check. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Are these
Hey, then.
steel toes?
Yes. I gotta go top up there.
Okay, I love you.
They look good though.
Thank you.
I like those toes. Cool. Now that I got the hose drilled, I can go ahead and put these bolts on.
That one? Yeah.
What are y'all holding? What is that?
That's Smurf.
Oh,
Smurf, girl.
Smurfette.
had in a little pack and then it fell out or something. You don't know how that little boy is? My mom was
There we go. Ain't going nowhere. Tighten the bitch up real good. Move a little bit, but it's alright. I'm pretty sure I gotta do it, but you can rotate it this way too. So there's my vise, air compressor, bolt tray thingy, toolbox, and then there goes my bench grinder. I got an extra one of these wheels, but I'm gonna use this one out until it's all no good, and I'll throw the second wheel on there. Not to buy more tools. That's it for this video.